Hello everyone, we are given with a question to find one odd occurrence element of the array. In an array, every element appears in pair except the one element. Now, we are given with an array, please see here 10, here is 10, 10 is in pair, 3 also appears in pair, 8 appears in pair, similarly 7 appears in pair. You might say that 4 appears in pair, but this 4 is odd one out. Now, you need to find the number which appears odd numbers of time, and in this array it is 4. Now, what is the expected time complexity? It is big O 1 n, and space complexity is big O 1. That means you are not allowed to use any extra space and you are not allowed to use any nested loops. Now, this question is asked in Snapdeal and Amazon. Now, let us see how do we solve this. Now, this is an array given, the same array, and we know that the answer here is 4. The answer. Now, the answer may not be always at the end, it might have another 2 elements, say for example 5 and 5. 5 also appears in pair, but 4 does not appear in pair. Now, how do we solve this? We take bitwise XOR of complete array, because we know that A XOR A, where A is any number, in any integer, A XOR A is 0 and 0 XOR A is A. Let us take the bitwise XOR of this complete array, and we also know that bitwise XOR is commutative in nature. Bitwise XOR is commutative in nature. Now, if we take the bitwise XOR, it becomes 10 XOR 3 XOR 8 XOR 7 XOR 3 XOR 7 XOR 4 XOR 8 XOR 10 XOR 4 XOR 4 XOR 5 and XOR 5. Now, what will happen? I can write this 7 XOR 3 as 3 XOR 7. Now, it becomes 10 XOR 3 XOR 8 XOR 3 XOR 7 XOR 7 XOR 4 XOR 8 and so on and so on. Now, what will happen? This 7 XOR 7 is 0 and this 8 XOR 3 can be written as 3 XOR 8, and this 3 and 3 will become 0. That means it becomes 10 XOR 0 XOR 8 XOR 7 XOR 7 is 0 XOR the complete array. Now, 10 XOR 0 is 10 and 8 XOR 0 is 8. That means the pairs cancel out. Similarly, here 10 and 10 cancel, 8 and 8 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel, 7 and 7 cancel, this 4 and this 4 will cancel, 5 and 5 will cancel, everything will be 0. At the end, we are left out with 0 XOR 4, which is equal to 4. This way, you can get the odd pair out. Thank you.